Hello there, welcome back. So now that it's MWC time, we have more information on Osom OV1, the privacy-focused phone made by the team behind the essential PH1. Now this phone will use all kinds of materials, latest specs and huge focus on privacy. But unfortunately this phone has been delayed and will be released sometime in 4th quarter. The reason for that according to TechCrunch is Osom wants to use the upgraded processor, most probably the successor to Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Anyways, back in December, a photo of this unreleased smartphone surfaced online showing us the design. But now we know more about the device, like the materials used. For instance, it will be made out of stainless steel, ceramic and titanium. Yes, OV1 will have a stainless steel and titanium housing, a ceramic back, all of which are still relatively uncommon in most smartphones, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for protection. The stainless steel is for the phone's frame, while titanium will be used for accents like the power and volume buttons as well as the ring around the camera bump, according to Android Police. Now before we get into specs, let's check out one of the privacy features they have incorporated, which is very unusual. Generally, there isn't a lot to talk about the USB-C cable, but this cable by Osom includes a neat trick. It features a physical switch that lets user toggle between simply charging and sharing data. It basically disconnects the data pins, stopping the cable from transferring any data, and can only charge the phone, which can come handy in public places. It will also have an LED indicator to let you know if data is being transferred. A pretty nifty feature if you ask me. Now coming back to the phone, from the looks of it, it doesn't look that big, but Osom says the OV1 will be noticeably bigger than the essential phone and will be a bit on a heavier side, which I think is because of the premium materials used in the construction of this phone and the battery size. They haven't shared any details on the battery specs, but they are trying to create as much space as possible to squeeze every milliamp hour. The company promises beyond all-day performance in regular use. As for display, all that's known is that it will get an OLED panel. We don't know the size, refresh rate and other details. Few things Osom learned from essential PH1 fiasco is to make the camera experience better. The OV1 will sport dual rear-facing cameras at 48 and 12 megapixel coupled with a 16 megapixel upfront, all Sony sensors. Another thing that they learned was to avoid partnership with particular carriers. The phone will also be dual SIM, dual physical SIM not eSIM, and the phone is going to support only sub 6 GHz 5G frequencies. Now coming to the final info, the operating system. Though it's running Android, the company didn't mention which flavor it will be running. But going through their Twitter feed, it seems it might be running Graphene OS with the focus on privacy. Well, that is all there is to know about this phone. And yes, the pricing will be under $1000, which is interesting given the high quality hardware and the software used. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and as always, catch you in the next one.